Hi guys, I just got this multifunction box foldable mobile phone holder from Shopee. What makes it special is the two-sided fill-light telescopic tube that goes up to 130 centimeters and the remote control for your phone and the lights. When you open it, you get a charging cable and it has up to 3 hours of battery life when fully charged. You get these manuals. One is more detailed and the other one more visual and straightforward. When opening the product, you have to remember not to forcefully pull it up. Rather, slide it back to release the telescopic tube. It is especially important to remember not to pull it up as it might damage the product. Once you finally open the product, you'll actually see the remote control there. You can slide it right out. You can connect this remote control to your phone via Bluetooth, and with it control the shutter function of your phone. You can also adjust the fill light settings with this remote control. So how do we turn on the fill lights? So behind the lamp, you actually have fill light buttons here. You just long press to turn it on. Each of these buttons will be in charge of a particular side of the fill lights. The bottom side of the fill light is actually near the phone clamp, and this is where you place your phone. And you can rotate that phone clamp actually. To turn the fill lights on and off, you just long press and short press to change the modes of the lighting. You get 3 modes of lighting. There's cool, there's warm, and then there's neutral, which is a combination of both lights. To lock the arm or the telescopic tube, you simply turn it to the left to lock it and turn it to the right to unlock it. See? You can extend the telescopic tube to up to 130 centimeters. That's actually really nice. And part of the telescopic tube actually bends to a 90-degree angle. The top part swivels to 360 degrees. All in all, I think this is a great product to have for any content creator, and I'm really happy with this purchase. Thanks for watching, guys.